Are you looking for an engaging way to teach transpiration? Meet the Potometer Simulation, a fully interactive tool designed for educators and students to explore how plants lose water. This easy-to-use virtual lab helps students investigate the effects of environmental factors on transpiration rates, just like they would in a real experiment. To begin, students choose an independent variable to investigate. The options include wind speed, light intensity, temperature, humidity, and the number of leaves. Once an independent variable is selected, that factor is locked in order for the student to choose the values for their control variables. The students can fine-tune their control variables using interactive sliders. They can increase wind speed, adjust temperature, modify humidity, or change the number of leaves on the plant. As each slider is adjusted, the simulation provides real-time visual feedback, making it easy to see the change in the variable. Once the values for the control variables have been set, the student presses the Lock Controls button so that the control variables are made inoperable to ensure a fair test, just like in real scientific investigations. Next, the student chooses the first value for their independent variable. Clicking Generate Results instantly simulates transpiration rates. The simulation automatically records multiple trials, allowing students to observe trends and variations in their data. The student can then vary their independent variable, clicking Generate Results for each value they wish to investigate. Choosing 5 or more values for the independent variable should give enough data for a trend line to be plotted and analyzed. All results are displayed in an organized table, making it simple to analyze how different conditions affect water loss in plants. With just one click, students can export their data as a CSV file to use in spreadsheets or graphing tools like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Beyond data collection, this simulation aims to help students apply real-world scientific analysis. They can calculate the mean transpiration rate and use standard deviation to plot error bars on their graphs. This encourages students to think critically about variability in data and improves their skills in data analysis and interpretation. Whether you're teaching IBDP Biology, A-Level, AP Biology, or any plant science course, this Potometer simulation is the perfect tool to engage students and bring transpiration experiments to life.